Well, I could help you with that.
I don't need your help, Kennan. My leg or my ranch.
Suit yourself. Generally, though, you're gonna be riding a horse. You might want to keep your pants on.
I was wearing pants. The coyote jumped up and I was going to shoot the damn thing, and then Charlie started barking like a lunatic, and it spooked Moon. And I don't need your supervision to get her.
I'm sorry about your pa, Willa. I didn't ask him to make me the overseer, but I am going to honor his request. So we can do this peaceable, or we can lock horns. Either way, I'm doing it. Your sister's as pretty as you are. Bet they're friendlier. I'm gonna come calling. Find out. We can discuss plans for the ranch.
I will be telling you the plans, Ben McKinnon. We're not going to be discussing anything. And if you even think for... What is the matter with that dog?
Isn't this the old cow camp? I do believe we used to park up here and used to show me the midnight gopher dances.
You showed me the dances, and you were a liar, even then. Charlie!